We are most alive when we are in love. True love story never have ending. Love is composed of a single soul inhabiting two bodies. The best thing to hold on it in life is each other. You know you are in love when you can't fall asleep because reality is finally better than your dreams. The best and most beautiful things in the world can't be seen or even heard but must be felt with the heart. Love cures people, both the ones who give it and the ones who receive it. When you realize you want to spend the rest of your life with somebody, you want the rest of your life to start as soon as possible. True love is not a hide and seek game. In true love, both lovers seek each other. The most important thing in life is to learn how to give out love and to let it come in. At the touch of love, everyone becomes a poet. Who being loved is poor. Love is totally nonsensical, but we have to keep doing it or else we are lost and love is dead, and humanity should just pack it in because love is the best thing we do. A loving heart is the truest wisdom. There is always some madness in love, but there is also always some reasons in madness. Have enough courage to trust love one more time and always one more time. Sometimes two people have to fall apart to realize how much they need to fall back together. Love alone can rekindle life. A successful marriage requires falling in love many times, always with the same person. Love is a game that two can play and both can win. To know when to go away and when to come closer is the key to any lasting relationship. Love does not make the world go around. Love is what makes the ride worthwhile. To get the full value of joy, you must have someone to divide it with. Souls tend to go back to who feels like home. Love does not consist in gazing at each other, but in looking outward together in the same direction. Love her, and it is the beginning of everything.